basic block is there. The reason why we do smaller measurement is because it saves us time. It makes us understand the measurements easily. We save resources. We don't need to cut a bigger pattern to understand something. So smaller one is always easier to grasp and makes your foundation really strong. Okay. We have the basic block. We used the small mannequin and we took all the measurement, created the basic block. Okay. Now, first design that we're going to approach is the legging. Legging, basically something which is fitted to your body, it takes the shape of your leg. Now, as I was explaining earlier, in pants, if ever you have because since the beginning, or you would have worn pants which are pure cotton and they're fitted, because those days we didn't have those lycra mixed fabric so easily available, even they were very expensive. But now everything comes with lycra. So what happens, the moment you bend your legs, the fabric takes shape of your body and it's very comfortable. When you get up, you sit, it's okay. But if it is a pure cotton, when you sit and get up, you will notice that the pants are really uncomfortable. It pulls down because knee is pulling down the fabric. It's pulling down the pants down, okay? So keeping that in mind, we can't really do a proper legging fitting, but we will try to do the shape of the leg. So how do we do that? This is your basic block. Like I said, let's not touch the waist. Let's not decrease or increase the waist. Let's assume we are doing high-waisted. High-waisted are back in fashion anyways. But if you want to, you remember there was a time when we had low-waisted, like really low waist. Britney Spears used to be like literally down. I have worn them proudly. Me too. Okay, so those pants, keep it high-waisted. Let's copy all these marks. These are our guidelines. Okay, what is this called? This line is your crease line. Crease line is that your fabric must follow this. Your grain of the fabric must follow this line. In pants especially, it's very important to have your grain following your line following the grain, because otherwise the pants will look tilted. Secondly, when you sew at the side, it will give you puckering. You know, it won't be neat. So the grain, how is the grain of your fabric? Fabric is like this and like this, webbed and warped. Okay, this is how the fabric is woven. Your pattern must follow this line. That is your grain line.
So the other one is stretching, is it?
Yeah. If you do this way, that's stretching. That's biased. So bias, we don't cut in the legging. Some Indian wears have a legging. Those churidars.
So they are. Is, yeah. You have grains like this. You have grains like this. How do you the fabric? Which way do you?
So lengthwise is always advisable. When you buy the fabric, one is the width of the fabric, like this. It comes in 45 inches, it comes in 60 inches. That's the width. Selvage to selvage. Oh, yeah. Sorry. This is the selvage. Yeah. This is like the end of the fabric. This is the other end of the fabric. Okay. So here to here is considered width of the fabric. Got no stretch at all, right? This way, where the fabric goes running, when you fold the fabric, when you buy, they open up from a roll, right? That is the length of the fabric, no stretch at all. But if I stretch from the side to side, you see how much it's stretching, because that's bias already. All right, so you must cut your fabric for your pants lengthwise only, widthwise not recommended, because you cannot really trust that from this end to this end the fabric is straight. The fabric might go a little bit tilted, right? You cannot trust that it's been cut straight. So you must align the fabric. The way to align the fabric is you take one strand of the fabric like this and pull it. Yeah. So if you can't really see where is your, because sometimes fabric are not 90 degree, right? It's very difficult to, and then you may cut tilted way. So this is my length. So this must be followed by this. This is your grain line. Grain line, and this must follow. They must be parallel to each other. That's how you must cut your fabric. Okay.
Oh, I drew this on the wrong direction.
But that's okay. That's okay. That was just a test fit. No worries.
This is where the confusion is most of the time.
Okay, so we got this. We got our. This is our hip line. This is my crotch depth. This is the knee line. So I got all my points ready. Let's just copy those next. Okay. This will help us to do our designing. Okay, now because it's a legging, first thing that you have to see is the opening of your pants. How do you see the opening? This is your feet. Here, this is the opening. Always take the opening from here, not from here.
From the heel part.
From the heel part, so you can go in it. Yeah. Otherwise, you won't be able to go in. So this measurement divide by 4. Go here, go here, go here, go here. Okay? Divide by 4. So quarter goes here, quarter goes here, quarter goes here, quarter.
Oh, that's meant for. Okay.
Okay. Secondly, if let's say we were doing a flare pants, bell bottoms, okay, our bottom would be like this. So measure it. See from your this thing how much opening do you want. Again, this measurement divide by 4. You will mark here, mark here, mark here, mark here. Okay. Broader. Okay. Got this? Now your knee measurement. So from your knee, this measurement. Bend your knee and take this measurement.
Oh,
Okay, don't take
when
it.
you say bend, is it from?
Yeah.
How do you
So sorry, then pass me the measuring tape. So if I just take it like this, this is 14. Okay. Now I bend this. This is 17.
Okay.
Right? If you don't do that, when you do this, your pants will tear off. Okay? You have to take it the exact circle. Okay? Now again, it came out to be 17 for me, so divide by 4. Again, go here, go here, go here, go here. Mark your opening. Once you got this, pants actually are so simple. Like you wouldn't believe once you start making the pants, you would make it all the time because it's just so easy to make. Go 90 degree up from this line. Go 90 degree up from this line. Go 90 degree up. This is not 90 degree. 90 degree up. 90 degree up. Here also 90 degree up. 90 degree. Okay. Give me the. Okay. Now from here, we know that our knee is somewhere here, right? So take this, blend it, touching this and blending with this, right? Here also, we know that our knee is until here. So make sure you're touching this and then blending it with this. Okay, now let's match the side. For doing the side, this is your knee level. Turn the ruler inward like this and touch it until your hip level. Okay, go this way. This is how you will do shaping for everything. Most of the time, this is how the shaping would come. Okay, once you've done this, turn the ruler this way. From your waist, blend it with this line. Okay, and then blend this with this. This is the shape. We have gotten rid of this, we have gotten rid of this. Similarly, I know because it's just the whole game is about you guessing and doing it, and that can only come through practice. You make couple of pants, try it, then make again, try again. You will get the hang of this shape. You know, because once you make it, you wear it, you realize so many things. Then you correct that and you do it again. So it's a whole process. Again, from here, inward, blend it with this, blend it with your waist. Okay, here we've done already. This is your front, this is your back. We can cut this and we can do a test fit for this. Do both cut. So this is cut in two, okay? And then you will sew the darts, you will try it on the mannequin to see how it looks. Can we do that?
Sure.